Near. Short distance. The grocery store is near my house. Nearby. Close in proximity. There's a cafe nearby where we can grab some coffee. Close. Short distance, proximity. The library is close to the park. Close up. Very near. I captured the bird on camera close up. Closely. Paying close attention. The detective examined the evidence closely. Abreast. Side by side, alongside. The soldiers marched abreast. About. Approximately. There are about 20 people in the room. Hereabouts. In this general area. The rumored treasure is said to be buried hereabouts. Thereabouts. Near that location. The bus stop is thereabouts. Distantly. At a distance. I waved at the ship, but it was too distant to see. Away. Not here. The cat ran away when I opened the door. Off. Not on. The switch is off. Apart. Separated. The chairs were placed 2 feet apart. Afar. At a great distance. The mountains loomed afar in the distance. Far. A long distance. The supermarket is far from here. Farther. At a greater distance. The next gas station is farther down the road. A field. Far from the expected location. The search party went afield in their quest for the missing hiker. In the vicinity. Around nearby. There's a park in the vicinity where we can have a picnic.
Remember, the key to mastering these words is practice, practice, practice. Don't forget to like this video and follow my channel for more engaging English lessons with pictures. Until next time, happy learning!